everyone, it is Susie, and I hope everybody's doing well. I've been playing around with some of these image transfers. I had watched Robin Dudley Howe's not too long ago. She just had a recent video where she was doing some image transfers, and I've been wanting to do that for a long time. I've watched, some others on YouTube do it. And it's just something I have really wanted to do. It's been on my to-do list, so I thought I would just go ahead and give it a whirl today. I actually was home from work and was just enjoying the time off and thought I would play around a little bit. Well, it just so happened I found this out by mistake because I had printed some little images off on onion skin paper, and what I was going to use them for wasn't going to work. So I had cut them out. I think I printed like maybe 6 on a page or something on a paper. And I thought, well, I'll use them for something sometime or another. And I just happened to see them laying up by my computer in a little basket. And I thought, oh, I'll try that image transfer using these onion skin papers. So I want to show you how easy this is. This is easy peasy. Here are the 2 images that I did transfer using that. Now, it's taken me a little bit. I've got to play around to try to figure out how much gesso I need. I'm actually using this Finnabar Art Basics gesso, gesso, I'll get it out here in a minute. Gesso, yeso, clear, transparent. I've had this a long time, and I thought, well, I'll just try to use that. And so, anyway, unlike using copy paper where you literally have to peel all that backing off, and like I said, this is just purely by accident that I even used this onion skin print. It just comes right off. You lay your print on there, and you can peel it right off, and you get the transfer. So I'm going to show you real quick. This will just be a real quick video. I'm working on a journal right now using Mrs. Cogg's images here. And I'm just taking some of the transparent gesso right there, and I'm just kind of putting it on evenly and not super thick. And that's where it kind of comes in. You just have to kind of play around a little bit to kind of figure out how much of that you need. And then just lay your, oops, oh, it's already starting to transfer. But I think it'll be okay. And I just take it, and I just take my finger and just rub it. Now, I don't know, maybe vellum would work just as well. I have no idea. This was just, I had it up there and in that little basket of mine, and I just thought, well, I'll just grab that. All right, and I want to get something here to grab it and peel it up. And it's just that easy. See the transfer? And there's just no having to mess with peeling that paper backing off. Now you can see where some of that glue wasn't there, but I don't mind that because I think it just makes it look a little aged. And you could probably just peel it little at a time and maybe add a little bit of the glue as you go. If you had this stuck down, when you were peeling it up, you may be able just to add, a little bit of gesso in places and just rub a little more. But that's just how easy the transfer is. It is just amazing how easy it is using the onion skin paper. I will try this one here. I've already got it kind of cut out. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the back side of this. This is just one of those larger Rolodex cards that I have. It's about a 3 by 5. And I'm just gonna, I just try to make it kind of spread evenly. Okay, and I'm just gonna take that and just get it on there. I'm just gonna gently rub it. I'm not rubbing it hard at all. And then what I thought you might be able to do is if you can pick it up and tell, like right there, you can tell that you're not getting a lot of the transfer. Maybe just add a little bit more gesso. And I've just about run out of gesso on my paper over here. Just squeeze a little bit more out. You know, you might be able to get a little bit more, and I can tell he's not coming off as much. So let's just add a little more. And let's start pulling up from the bottom here. And I think a lot of it has to do also, maybe not with the glue, but the crease in the paper may be causing that. So I'm going to smooth that out maybe a little bit. And I'm going to smooth it out here too, because I can tell it's not smooth. Other than I can see I've probably smudged his face somewhat. But that will be part of just playing with your glue and your paper. Okay, let me get something to kind of wipe my hands here. Okay, so okay, that image isn't as clear. I should have done a little bit better job there getting my glue. But you kind of see, I mean, the image is off. And I love this one. I love this side. So, super easy. This one came out just fantastic. I love the little bit of roughness in it. So guys, that's basically how easy this was to do these transfer images. And I'm going to keep kind of working with them till I kind of get it down to a little bit of a more perfection there. And it's all about smoothing out that paper and the glue. But anyway, so I hope that you enjoyed that. I hope that y'all are having a good day. I'll catch you in the next video.